So how can you find your Apple Watch when it's turned off? Let me show you and explain how it works. If you're new on Foxtecc, subscribe and you're not going to miss anything important. So if your watch gets turned off, the last known location might still be accessible and perhaps you'll still be able to see and track your location. It depends on the state of the battery and the Apple Watch. But the point is that on your iPhone, you go to the Find My app, and at the bottom, you click on the devices to just see your devices on a map. And it depends on when the Apple Watch has been used the last time, but you should be able to find it in here and see the last known location. So it might be, an hour ago, a few minutes, or even weeks ago. Depends, as I said, on your situation. Because after the Apple Watch runs out of the battery, it might still be connected to the Find My network. But, if a month passes, then you're not going to know every single movement of the watch because it simply doesn't have enough battery. So this is the only way you can check it out, right? And you can just see where it was. You can do some different things like enable the lost mode, which is a different thing, right? You can get the directions to it. So depends, right? You can erase it or lock it from distance or remotely, right? So these are the options you have, but other than that, you will not be able to see your location. If you cannot see it in here, there's no other place to really check. So let me know in the comments below if you managed to do it. Thanks a lot for watching. I hopefully get to see you later in the next videos as well. Thanks a lot, and I'll see you then.